Hello everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel at Akeem Ola. If you are just joining me for this first time, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Honestly, I need your subscription. Try and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I strongly believe that when you do so, you will surely enjoy the content of this video. I am very sure of that. Don't also forget to share my video, to like and share my video. And you can also comment on the comment section of this particular video. We have a question that is somehow different from the one we have been solving all this while. The question we have today is on tangent of a circle. Is on tangent to a circle, and we are given a particular question. And the question we're given the diagram on the board. We have TQ is tangent to a circle, SYTR, SYTR. Angle YST is 32, YST is 32 degrees, and angle RTQ is 40 degrees. Then we are asked to find angle YTR. Where is YTR? YTR. That means we are looking for the whole of this. How can we solve this particular question? For us to solve this particular question, we need to understand what tangent is all about. The tangent to a circle is always perpendicular to the radius that is at the point of contact. Another theorem you need to consider is that because before we can get this YTR, we need to combine so many theorems together. Like now, number one, we must get this angle. I'm talking about angle RST. We need to get angle RST. After getting our angle RST, then we can now consider the relationship between RSY and the question that we are asked to find, YTR. You have to be very careful when you are solving question on circle theorem and tangent to a circle, because if you are not careful, you are going to derail and make a lot of mistakes. What can we do now? How can we get our RST? If you check very well, you will notice that there is an alternate segment angle in this particular question. There is an alternate segment angle in this particular question. So automatically, I can write that my RST is 40 degrees. The angle here is equal to the tangent that is here. And the relationship between them is that alternate segment angle is always equal to the tangent angle. So we have the reason alternate segment angle is equal to tangent angle. That is the first thing that we are going to consider. Now that we have considered that, that means our RST, angle RST now will now be 40 degrees. Then we can get the sum of angle here. So therefore, our angle RSY will now be equal to the addition of these two angles. We have angle 32 degrees plus 40 degrees, and that will automatically give us 72 degrees. Now, if you look at this thing very well, you will notice that there is a relationship between angle RSY plus angle Y T R. There is a relationship between them. And if you check the two of them very well, you will notice that one, two, three, four. This angle here, this is a quadrilateral because it has four sides and four angles. And there is a theorem that is associated with cyclic quadrilateral. And the theorem states that the opposite side of a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite side of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. That means our angle YXY, RXY plus angle YTR will sum up to 180 degrees. We have 180 degrees here. Where do we go from here? We have gotten our angle RSY to be equal to 72. That is 72 degrees plus angle YTR that we are looking for is 180 degrees. So from here, we can make angle YTR as the subject of the formula. If you do that, you are going to have angle YTR will now be equal to 180 degrees minus 72 degrees. And that will automatically give us 108 degrees. So therefore, the angle in question, angle YTR, is equal to 108 degrees. As you can see, solving question on the tangent to a circle, you need to be focused. You also need to have the picture of all the theorems in your mind because you will need because you are going to apply those theorems to solve this particular question. We are going to stop here for now. We'll take it off from here next time. God bless you. God bless me. Take care.